Alright, so I told you guys that I would do a truck tour for my kayak rig that I have on my truck, and also what else I have on my truck. I'm out here at my pond where I live. I feel like I need to go fish before it got dark, or after dark a little bit. It's gonna rain tomorrow. I figure they might bite, but it is blue skies as can be. Well, I guess there's a little bit of cloud. But anyways, I'll take y'all on a little tour. It's kind of awkward filming in front of cars, but here we go. Drove a 2006 Dodge Ram 2500. Here we go. Paddling the south. So what I have is a truck bed racks that I bought for 70 bucks. Put 6-inch diameter, 8-foot 2-inch PVC pipes as for my rod holders, so rod pods. I got 2 of them. Also, I got cube LEDs for back here. In the back, we got a 22-inch LED light bar, also for the back for helping me back up. Also, fishing at night at like ponds or rivers or lakes by the whatever. Also put them on my fog lights. So yeah, there is my 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins 5.9 setup. I would normally have my kayak on top, but I do not. So